Prostitution in the United States is an ongoing way for men and women to profit off their bodies. Today I'm going to be talking about prostitution and why it should be legalized in the United States. As of today, prostitution is illegal in the United States, but should be legalized as soon as possible. Let's be honest, prostitution isn't going anywhere. Nobody's going to be able to fix it anytime soon. So because of this, the United States government should legalize prostitution under strict circumstances in order to control sex trafficking, put victims in safer environments, and decrease abortions and unwanted pregnancies in these sex workers. Legalized prostitution has a direct correlation to a decrease in sex trafficking. According to John Haltwinger, in 2001, Germany legalized prostitution, and over the next 10 years, instances of sex-based human trafficking decreased by 10% within the country. So, if legalizing prostitution decreases sex trafficking, then the United States needs to do this immediately, because it would ultimately result in more lives being saved. The United States also needs to legalize prostitution because it would give these sex workers better environments to do their work in. According to Alison Whiplinger, being regulated in safer conditions for these activities to take place would be one of the great advantages of legalizing prostitution. And this would be a great thing because men would not feel like they could overpower these women. They would be forced to wear condoms, which would result in less pregnancies and less unwanted pregnancies and less unwanted abortions. It would also result in less abuse amongst these women, which basically means less suicides. So by having them being regulated, there's less deaths, less unwanted pregnancies, and less abortions. By legalizing prostitution, the United States would see a decrease in sex trafficking, abortions, unwanted pregnancies. It would basically just be a lot better for the whole country and everybody in the sex industry. So we need to go out and sign petitions. We need to go protest. We need to do whatever we need to do to make the government realize how we feel about this situation. There's a problem with prostitutes in our country, but it's not a problem that we can't solve and fix as citizens.